Hello Windows Universe. In this video we are going to show you an easy way to download and install fonts from the Microsoft Store in Windows. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then in System, go to Personalization, scroll down till you find Fonts, then click on Get More Fonts in the Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store should open to show you fonts that are both free and paid. Choose the desired font and download it. When done, the font should show up under Available Fonts. If not, then simply drag and drop to install it to your available fonts. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.